Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you guys are having a blast out there. Merry Christmas to everyone. As you can see, I have my Christmas sweater on. It's your boy Stan. And today's video is gonna be about what I got for Christmas. And I was a good boy and Santa rewarded me with these right here. Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft. And you can't really go wrong with these. Look at that. Look at how cool these look. You really can't go wrong with that. So we're gonna get into the full review and unboxing and on foot review of these shoes. And I hope you guys enjoy this and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't hesitate to like and also subscribe to the channel as well. And I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas with your family and friends and having a very good and merry season. So let's get into it. Alright guys, this is the unboxing portion of the Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft with the olive green box. You can't really miss that. Craft, those are mids, by the way. These came out not too long ago. These are fresh out. There's only 2,600 pairs sold so far. On these, I would suggest getting your hands on a pair if you're interested as well. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can get your hands on a pair as well. These are authentic. Obviously, I don't mess around with foo-foo stuff. Barcode actually telling you how authentic it is. This is actually the reader's bar. Barcode right there, and everything matches up. Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft. And these are the olive and pale vanilla ones, as you can see on the box there. So this is pretty much the shoe in a nutshell. This is the pale vanilla sole. That's the bottom with the pale vanilla right there. The green, black, beige, green. If you don't have any of that stuff, so it's not authentic. There's the black laces holder, look like a gummy material, and the toe box in itself, the front is suede. This is also suede. The side is also suede, so that's gonna take quite a while to get these clean if you're trying to get those clean. And these actually come with the green laces, and the tongue in itself has the Jordan Flight logo on it, and inside the tongue it has the Air Jordan. So inside of the tongue of the shoe, it has the Air Jordan written upside down, to be honest with you. So that's actually a very cool little touch. If you don't have that, it's not authentic as well. That's another way to figure out if it's an authentic shoe or not. I haven't tried them on yet, but these are 10.5. I usually get a half size up when I buy my shoes, and that's the inside right there. That's the model number, the barcode, QR code I meant to say, and everything else that comes with it. So that's the inside of the shoe in itself. And the inside obviously has the yellow Jordan logo and sole inside there. You can't really go wrong with that. If you do not have that, like I mentioned, it's not an authentic shoe. And the back has this gum fluorescent or transparent look to it with the Jordan logo right there. Obviously, all of this is hard leather, suede, hard suede, leathery material. On the sides right here, same as this side as well, but these are actually velvet suede looking material. So it's a very cool shoe. You definitely can rock these shoes with green, black, beige. Could actually work with that as well. But yeah, it's a very selective shoe. You can't really rock this with red. You can't rock this with different colors, but there's a specific color that this actually goes with, so you have to be careful to make sure you match this properly when you're wearing these. And that's pretty much that for the shoe in itself. It's actually a very good shoe. I'm actually going to do an in-foot review of the shoe in itself, so you guys can see what it looks like on my feet. And we'll go ahead and move on to that part right now, as a matter of fact. So let's get into it. Alright guys, this is practically the on-foot review of this shoe. This is it on my foot right there. My jeans are a little baggy, so bear with me. This is how it feels. I can move my toes nicely because I got a hip size up. That's the side. That's the front. Obviously, can't go wrong with that. These are definitely a must buy. I would definitely suggest you guys get you a pair if you're interested. I think they're on end of the year sale right now. And I'll be sure to leave the link in the description below as well, so you can get yourself one if you're very interested in it. You can't go wrong with these shoes whatsoever. Like I said, these are a hit. You can't miss out on those at all. Right there. I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. And don't forget to like, and if you have a comment, feel free to hit me up in the comments below as well. Keeps the algorithm going. And once again, enjoy your Christmas. Alright guys, peace.